Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is Making It Happen with Mary and I am Mary. Today's video, I'm finally sitting down and I'm going to review and compare a new perfume mist by Bath & Body Works. Honeycomb. Yep, Honeycomb perfume mist. It came out with that same one, that milk mist, and y'all, milk was fire. So you know your girl had to sit down and talk about Honeycomb. Before we get too far into today's video, of course, today's lip is by me, Banger Beauty by Mary. We just launched a new line, in case you missed it. It is our Sip Happens line. Yep, play on words. Sip Happens. It is a wine trio line. They are sold individually over at Banger Beauty by Mary. They all are sparkling wine flavored. Today I am wearing Merlot, hooray. We have Chardonnay, Rosé all day, and Merlot, hooray, over there at Banger Beauty. Definitely get over there and check them out if you haven't. And y'all, if you have not signed up for email notifications, please do so, because you get a discount code the very first time you do that, and you can use it on that order. So yes, make sure you get over Banger Beauty by Mary. Check out our Sip Happens collection, and yeah, let's get into this video. Okay, Honeycomb. Y'all, there was so much buzz about this scent because a lot of people were saying it was like that Coco Shea honey line that was out years ago. And although I don't have any of those items left in my collection because your girl used them all up, I was still super thrilled to see this. It says it is fragranced with notes of sweet shea and golden honey for a warm, addictive scent. Y'all, I like this scent, but it's not as good as I thought it would be. I remember the original Coco Shea honey having much more, like a heavier, sweeter type of honey in it. And although this is a pretty scent, it is pretty, but the longevity is another factor for me with this one. Milk was outstanding. This one, I only got about an hour's worth of wear on it. And for a perfume mist, that's a little disappointing in my opinion. It is a pretty scent. It's very light though. It's not a beast. I would say max, you know, if you're gonna, well, I'll put it to you this way. If you're gonna buy it and wear it, I would advise wearing it to bed. It's like a perfect bedtime, soothing, kind of a soft, calming type of a scent. Yeah, what I just don't get as much honey from this scent as I was really hoping for. It is a pretty scent, but I feel like they could have done this better. I really do feel like they could have done this better. But I do have some comparisons, because you know your girl scours the internet looking for comparisons. And one that I did see was Golden Pear by Pink. She came out a few years ago. I want to say this one came out 2021, y'all, dang. Golden Pear. She has scent notes of juicy pear and raw honey. Now, see, I love this scent because the pear is the background note and the honey is up front and center. And it's sweet. It's got this almost like a baked pear in the background with that honey up front and center. And it's beautiful. The longevity on this one was beautiful as well. This, to me, though, is nothing like Honeycomb. Honeycomb is almost... Y'all, I ain't gonna lie, I was just really disappointed in this. I honestly, I think a lot of things would be better than Honeycomb, to be honest. Golden Pear definitely was a hell of a lot better than Honeycomb. Oh, yes. They probably would layer well together, but honestly, I was just so disappointed in this scent. I really have been trying so hard to like her, and it's just not happening for me. It just doesn't do it for me, y'all. It doesn't do it for me. Now, another comparison, which I was shocked by, like legit, they were comparing it to Jean-Paul Gaultier's Scandal. Yes, Scandal. Y'all, I couldn't. I just couldn't. Scent notes on Scandal is blood orange, mandarin, honey, gardenia, orange blossom, jasmine, peach, beeswax, caramel, patchouli, and licorice. For me, this is like a honey bomb scent. Like, this is honey. This is not. This is gorgeous. You also get those notes initially of that blood orange and the mandarin orange. You get a lot of honey in it. There is a tiny bit of gardenia and jasmine, but it's really in the background. There's a little bit of orange blossom that sweetens it up even more. And there is light notes of licorice and patchouli in this that are kind of like lingering in the background. But this is a honey bomb. This is a honey flop, in my opinion, y'all. I'm sorry. It's okay, but it ain't worth the fuss. It ain't like what Milk was. Milk was freaking fire. Like, fire. This, I'm like really tempted to throw it in the fire. It ain't good, y'all. At least that's my opinion. That's my opinion. Now, I did see one last comparison. That again, I was just like, why are you going to do her like that? Why are you going to do her like that? This gorgeous beauty from Bath & Body Works came out 2019, I believe, was when I got my hands on this. Sweet almond and honey. Sweet almond and honey. Now, of course, the scent notes are not on here, but I do still have some moisturizing body wash, which is beautiful. I've been hanging on to her with like every last breath I have in my body. Scent notes are honey blossom, white jasmine, and sweet cream. Yes. Hello, lover. I typically wear this a lot in the spring, although she could be a fall scent as well. She is absolutely gorgeous. You definitely get those notes of honey in there. You get a teeny bit of jasmine. It's way in the background. Heavy notes of sweet cream with the honey and a little bit of almond in the back. It is perfectly done. This is what this should have smelled like, in my opinion. Like, it's okay. I think they could have done her so much better. If they would have really given it a sweet honey type of a scent with that shea butter, it would have been beautiful. I'm just not the biggest fan of this, y'all. I'm not. This was way better in my opinion. Yeah. What did you guys think of Honeycomb? Was she a snatch? Was she a pash? Were you disappointed like I was? Definitely let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to get over to Banger Beauty by Mary. Get you some Sip Happens, baby. Sip Happens. What can I say? Sip Happens, especially on my Tipsy Tuesday lives. Which I do think we will be doing one this coming Tuesday night. So stay tuned for that. I'm going to talk about some things, man. Some things. Yes. Make sure you head over to Banger Beauty, though. Check out Sip Happens. And yeah, we're at my favorite part, y'all. Ready? Like, comment, subscribe, and ding the bell so you're alerted every single time your girl uploads. And I will see you in the next one. All right, you guys. Bye-bye.